Highly Financial Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before Designer Financial offer a range of retirement planning tools and investment options through a highly invest platform, catering to both hand-up investors and those seeking for more control. And here is the honest review based on this available information about this platform. So talking about the good side about this platform, it comes with a very low cost investment option together with user platform interface and integrated financial service and an automated investment. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the bad side with this platform. It comes with a limited investment option together with a cash allocation in robo portfolios and lack of tax loss harvesting. And here's a viral conclusion. Highly Invest is a solid choice for investors looking for a low-cost, user-friendly investment option, especially for those who already utilize Highly's banking service. However, the platform limitations such as the lack for financial shares and tax loss harvesting may not meet the need of all investors. It is advisable to assess your individual investment goal and consider whether Highly offering aligned with your retirement planning need.